Hey guys, super excited to share this update with those of you that are using our Jane app sync with iLevel. So we just started fetching out more information coming in, and we're also doing the fetch more frequently now. And these are the things that you'll be able to see. Obviously, the contact details, first name, last name, email, phone number, date of birth, the source from our integration, GMI solution. And then these are the information that you get, patient number, if they opt in for email, since when they've been patient, are they active, was this their first visit, location name that they visited, the treatment type, the name of the staff, appointment stay, and all those other stuff. These are the fields that are within the Jane and it's available to us. I'm not showing any empty fields in here, so if I turn this off, you will see much more, couple of more fields within the Jane app that if you provide inside the Jane, it will automatically get fetched in. Now, once we have all of this, we also include the automation snapshots, be it the integration. So you got the appointment reminder. So what's going to happen is basically you can literally set an appointment reminder, SMS and email, and send it to your clients. Because what we do is we fetch previous and upcoming appointments at the same time uh, within any point of time in a day. We also have a cancel and follow up automation for you set up that you can go and basically have a look and have a play. So the ideas for this automation is to just give you an idea of the triggers that you can use. Obviously, the messaging and those kind of things, you want to go inside each one of them and update them. We also have a first visit done, ask for review if you want to do that. As you can see, you can use this type of review for any type of appointment, like post-appointment follow-up and those kind of things. We also have a reactivation campaign set up that you can have it on autopilot. So this works based on the last visit. So if a patient last visit, let's say, was 3 months ago, 6 months ago, and they haven't booked anything or been back to the clinic, it will automatically start the reactivation. We got the same thing such as cancel. We got the no-show and follow-up as well. This automatically kicks in as soon as you have a client that was a no-show. Then we got the patient value update. So this is you need to do a little bit of work for this one to work. So basically, you want to go ahead and match your treatment or packages or services prices and basically map them in here because currently Jane doesn't allow us to fetch the monetary value. So when the treatments are coming in, what you can do, you can switch the name of the treatment based on the treatment that is happening. You can update the name, and then what you can do, you can do a math operation on that field and say, hey, this is like $500, $200, add that on top of it. And obviously, if you have them, let's say within your pipeline, you can mark them as one, and that's how you can actually get that dashboard updated, and you can have your return on ad spend and everything, conversion rate, and then everything showing up, which is pretty cool. And then we just put some post-appointment follow-up, just an example, so you guys kind of have a look, have a feel of what can be done. So if I click on this one and we go ahead and get in here, and as you can see, we have like a 2 day follow-up, SMS and email, and then 2 weeks follow-up after that, SMS and email. And you can just basically build on this. This can be your nurture campaign or whatever. Now, for those of you that have agency, this is completely white label. So if you would like, what we can do for you, we can give you this form. This is not a funnel, so it's actually an iframe, and you can basically put it in any type of funnels that you want. You want, design it however you want, and you can put it even as a custom menu link on your high level and basically tell your clients that, hey, go ahead, click on this link, fill up this information, which is basically what is their Jane app URL, what is their Jane username and password, and the private integration key, we put it in here because we wanted to make it easy and even available for those of you that don't want to use app marketplace and those kind of things. You can simply go to settings down at the bottom in here, and then you can click on private integrations, and you can create a new one in here, which is pretty simple. You just click on create a new integration, you name it whatever you like, next. And then we just need four scopes, which is two for contacts, editing contacts, and viewing contacts. And then same thing for custom fields. So view custom fields and edit custom fields. And once you do this, you click on create. This is the key that you want to copy and paste there. And that's all. That's all you need to do. As soon as you do this, we will send you the snapshot. If you want to, you can upload it. If you don't want, that's okay, because we do the custom field creation automatically as well, so you don't need to go and manually add them. But yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think, and I hope you enjoy this one. Thanks. Bye.